Very good morning, all the students of 7th standard, and we are learning here 6th lesson of our geography's natural regions. This one lesson we are learning, and yesterday we discussed about the tundra region from these lessons. Now today we'll discuss about the taiga regions. Taiga region's location and extent approximately between the 55 degree and 65-degree north. In which region of the area this taiga region existed? 655 to the 65-degree north parallels from the Alaska to the Atlantic coast part of Eurasia. Taiga region is located into the Alaska. This region is into the 55 to 65 degree north there. Alaska mountain ranges, Atlantic coast, cold climate is there throughout the year. Snowfall is there. Atlantic coast, Atlantic oceans, coastal region area, and some part of the Eurasia. In these regions, this taiga region existed. Climate now of these regions: summer temperature is 15 to 20 degrees Celsius throughout this year. In this Alaska mountain regions or the Atlantic coastal region area or Eurasia regions there, summer temperature of this region is 15 to 20 degrees Celsius. Means whatever our winter temperature is here of Maharashtra or our years, this temperature is there in a summer 15 to 20 degrees Celsius. Winter temperatures is below the 0 degrees Celsius. Winter temperatures in the Alaska regions or into the taiga regions below the 0 degrees Celsius. Main annual rainfall between the 300 millimeter to the 500 millimeter. Annual rainfall is also there in these regions. That annual rainfall 300 millimeter to the 500 millimeter rainfall is there. Rainfall in a summer. In a winter seasons, what is the temperature is -0, so snowfall is there, and rain mostly it is in the summer, because in summer time temperature is there 15 to 20 degrees Celsius. So rainfall it is in a summer seasons, snowfall in winter, and in the winter season snowfall is there, continuous snowfall in the winter. This is the climate there. Natural vegetations in this region: coniferous forest there, long shaded, and the small like trees are there, big coniferous forests there. Leaves are toward the downside, like you see. Means snow will fall, it will be slope and it will come downside. Leaves are narrow, small narrow leaves are there of the trees. Branches, leaves are narrow pointed there. Branches leanings toward the ground. What are the branches are there of the trees? They are leaning toward the ground. They are toward the ground. Wood is the light and soft. What are the wood is there of the trees? That wood is very lightweight, and very soft wood is there. Spruce, fir, pine, redwood, such type of tree goes mostly we can see in these regions there. Now animals have a soft and thick fur, because climate is always throughout the year it is cold. So what are the animals are there? That animals, they are with the soft fur. So throughout the year cold climate, so because of that fur animals are there. Caribous animals mostly we can see: elks, ermine, beavers, silver fox, minks, bears, etc. Such kind of animals mostly we can see into the taiga regions. Human life population is also less there because of the cold climate. Snowfall is there, so population is also very less. Limbering and hunting are the major occupations. Limbering, to cut down the trees and hunt the animals. This is the major occupations of the people, those who live in these regions. Few agrarian activities are there. In a summer seasons temperature, between when the temperature is 15 to 20 degrees Celsius, at that time some peoples they do the agricultural work there. Grassland steppes and the prairies now. This region is extended between the 30 degree to the 55 degree north and the south parallel in the interior part of the continent. 30 degree and 55 degree north and the south parallel. Steppes, in which region or the area of this grassland area, mostly we can say that steppes of the prairie there. Steppes regions, in which country it is there or in which continent. Steppes, it is into the Eurasia, Veldas, South Africa, Pampas into the South America, and the prairie region it is into the North America, Downs of Australia. In this region mostly prairie region is there. Steppes and the prairie, these are the grassland region area there. Climate of these regions, summer temperature is around 27 degrees Celsius. Summer temperatures 27 degrees Celsius in summer, that little bit okay there. Winter temperature below the 0 degrees Celsius in this region also. Winter regions, winter temperature below the 0 degrees Celsius means snow is there, snowfall. Mean annual rainfall is 400 to the 600. Annual rainfall is increasing. So when however the temperature is increasing in that region, rainfall is also increasing. So you see that in the tundra regions where the temperature, summer temperature is also less there, 10 degrees Celsius, or the winter temperature is a minus, there rainfall is also less there, 25 to 300. And into the taiga region, 15 to 20 degrees Celsius, it is summer temperature, so their rainfall 300 to 500 regions, millimeter. And into the grassland, summer temperature 27 degrees Celsius, so here rainfall is 400 to 600 millimeter. So rainfall is increasing here. Rainfall mostly during the summer, and here also rainfall it is in summer time only. Now natural vegetation, trees, extensive grassland branches are seen there. Grassland area there, mostly this area of the region shows into the discovery also there, animal world there. So here branches are seen there. Short grasses growing in the lumps, short grasses where the animals can they can graze properly. So short grasses we can see that grass gets dried up into the winter. In a winter time, when the winter season is there, at that time these grasses they get dried, they will be dry because temperature nearby 27 degrees Celsius, so it will be a little bit dry. Elder poplar trees are also found there. So trees are very less. Most of the region or the area it is a grassland area. Wildlife here, wildlife include deer, horses, dogs, wolves, bisons, rabbits, hares, kangaroos, dinos, etc. Different varieties of the wildlife we can see in this region there. Domesticated animals like sheep, goat, cattle, horses, donkeys are also found in this region. Domesticated animals are also we can see in this region or the area there. Rearing animals in the main occupations. Rearing, to raise the animals, to look after the animal, it is the main occupation of the people. Earlier people had a nomadic life. Those were the earlier peoples living in these regions. They lived a nomadic life. They were not settled down in one place. They were roaming, wandering there. They lived nomadic life. Lived in a hide or tent yards there. So these people they live into the tent houses or into the hides there. Kyrgyz peoples are no more nomadic. Now stay in well-built houses. Kyrgyz, it is nomadic life. Nomadic peoples are there. Now they are not living nomadic life there. They stable. They build the houses and they began to live stable in one place. They grow wheat also there. Means they are doing the farmings in the summer time mostly. Hot desert region there. This region is located between the 20 degree and 30 degree north and the south parallel. Between 20 degree to 30 degree north and south parallel here. In the western part of the continent, Sahara, North Africa, Colorado, North America, Atacama, South America, Kalahari, South Africa, Thar, Asia. In these regions, Thar desert in Asia, this hot desert region is there. Main summer temperature is 30 to 45 degrees Celsius. Summer temperature is increased 30 degrees Celsius to the 45 degrees Celsius. Summer temperature. Winter temperature is 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. Winter is also quite okay. Tremendous heat and the very low rainfall. It is a hot desertification is there, so heat is more there. Less rainfall is less. Nights are very cold. There is no abundance. There is obstructions for the winds there. Desert, so less trees are there, so winds are blowing and cold temperature at night. Cold temperature there. Thorny shrubs with hardly any leaves there. Desert region is there, less rainfall, so shrubs are there. No leaves are there for that. Leaves are narrow there, but if the leaves are there, they are also very narrow. Oily is there. Have a thick bark, and the bark of the trees are also very thick there. Once moisture in the soil is consumed, plants die. What are the moisture is there in the soil, that tree they will be consumed, they will take the moisture, and after that when there is no moisture the tree will be died there. Summer temperature examples: cactus, sisals, palm, date, palm trees, such examples are there. Animal life of this: camels survive for a days without water there. It can be survive for many days without water there. Animals living on the ground is less there. Those animals live on the ground, they are very less. Daytime live inside the grounds. Some animals, most of the animals, they live during the daytime inside the ground because of the heat. For example, snake, rats, lizards, scorpions. During the day they live into the ground only. Domesticated animals like horses, donkeys, sheep, oxen, mostly they use that. People's life there: Bodionis, Sahara Desert in the regions, Bushmen, Kalari, Aborigines into the Australia regions. Most of the needs get fulfilled through the animals only. They depend on the animals only. Agriculture is confined to the river, valley, and the ocean there. Wherever the river valley is there, they will do the agriculture. So today we'll stop here. When we'll come tomorrow, then we'll come with the next one. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.